Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, Time to Travel, where we embark on thrilling journeys around the world. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the captivating wonders of Western Europe. Get ready to uncover the top 5 places that will steal your heart and leave you in awe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our global community of fellow explorers. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Now, let's dive into the top 5 places to visit in Western Europe. Number 5. Corsica. Welcome to Corsica, an island paradise where beauty and adventure intertwine. Join us on a captivating journey through this Mediterranean gem, where ancient traditions meet breathtaking landscapes. Number 4. Normandy. Welcome to Normandy, a land of timeless beauty and captivating history. Join us on a remarkable journey through this enchanting region, where picturesque landscapes and cultural wonders await. Number 3. Alsace region. Welcome to the enchanting Alsace region, a picturesque treasure nestled in the heart of Europe. Join us on a remarkable journey through this captivating land, where fairy tale villages, vineyard-draped hills, and cultural richness await. Number 2. The Alps. Welcome to the majestic realm of the Alps, a symphony of awe-inspiring peaks, pristine wilderness, and boundless adventure. Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey through this breathtaking mountain range, where nature's grandeur knows no bounds. Number 1. Paris. Welcome to the City of Lights, the enchanting capital of France that has captured the hearts of millions. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through the timeless streets of Paris, where art, romance, and history converge.